Welcome to Top Wise. In today's video, we will explore 15 signs that you possess mental strength, from your ability to handle stress and uncertainty to your willingness to take responsibility for your actions. By recognizing these qualities in yourself, you can continue to cultivate your mental toughness and lead a more fulfilling life. But before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would support the creation of educational content like this by subscribing to this channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Ability to bounce back from adversity and setbacks. You have the ability to bounce back from adversity and setbacks. Life can be unpredictable and challenging, but you possess the resilience and strength to overcome obstacles and keep moving forward. When faced with adversity, you don't give up easily. Instead, you find ways to adapt, learn from your experiences, and grow stronger. You have the courage to face difficult situations head-on and the tenacity to persevere even when the going gets tough. You understand that setbacks are a natural part of life, but you don't let them define you. Instead, you use them as opportunities to learn, grow, and become a better version of yourself. Your ability to bounce back from adversity is a true testament to your mental strength and fortitude. Number 2. Willingness to take on challenges and step out of comfort zones. You have a strong willingness to take on challenges and step out of your comfort zone. You understand that growth and progress come from pushing yourself beyond your limits and trying new things. You don't shy away from challenges or difficult tasks, but instead you embrace them as opportunities to learn and improve. You have a curious and adventurous spirit that drives you to explore new ideas and experiences. You are willing to take risks and try new things even if they are outside of your comfort zone. You understand that stepping out of your comfort zone can be uncomfortable, but you trust in your abilities and believe that you can handle whatever comes your way. Your willingness to take on challenges and step out of your comfort zone is a true testament to your mental strength and courage. Number 3. Ability to manage and regulate emotions effectively. You have the ability to manage and regulate your emotions effectively. You are aware of your feelings and emotions and have developed healthy coping mechanisms to deal with them. You don't let your emotions control your actions, but instead, you take a step back, analyze the situation, and respond in a calm and rational way. You understand that emotions are a natural part of life, and it's okay to feel sad, angry, or anxious at times. However, you don't let negative emotions consume you, and you find ways to manage them effectively. You practice self-care and prioritize activities that help you feel calm and centered. You communicate your feelings clearly and assertively without lashing out or blaming others. Your ability to manage and regulate your emotions effectively is a true testament to your mental strength and emotional intelligence. Number 4. Willingness to ask for help when needed. You have a strong willingness to ask for help when needed. You understand that no one can do everything alone, and it's okay to ask for assistance or guidance when facing a challenge. You don't let pride or fear get in the way of seeking help, but instead, you reach out to others with humility and a willingness to learn. You understand that asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness, and it takes courage to admit when you need support. You seek out people who can offer you different perspectives and expertise, and you value their input and feedback. Your willingness to ask for help when needed is a true testament to your mental strength and humility. Number 5. Ability to maintain a positive outlook and focus on solutions rather than problems. You have the ability to maintain a positive outlook and focus on solutions rather than problems. You understand that a positive attitude can help you overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. Instead of dwelling on the negative aspects of a situation, you look for opportunities and focus on what you can do to make things better. You don't let setbacks or failures discourage you, but instead, you view them as opportunities to learn and grow. You maintain a growth mindset and believe that you can always improve and get better. You surround yourself with positive people and prioritize activities that uplift and energize you. Your ability to maintain a positive outlook and focus on solutions rather than problems is a true testament to your mental strength and resilience. 6. Ability to stay focused and motivated despite distractions or obstacles. You have the ability to stay focused and motivated despite distractions or obstacles. You understand that staying focused and motivated is essential for achieving your goals and fulfilling your potential. You don't let distractions or obstacles derail you from your path, but instead, you stay committed to your vision and keep moving forward. You prioritize your tasks and stay organized to minimize distractions and maintain your focus. You understand that obstacles are a natural part of life, but you don't let them discourage you. Instead, you find ways to overcome them and persevere. You stay motivated by keeping your goals in mind and reminding yourself of why they are important to you. Your ability to stay focused and motivated despite distractions or obstacles is a true testament to your mental strength and determination. 7. Willingness to learn from mistakes and use them as opportunities for growth. You have a strong willingness to learn from mistakes and use them as opportunities for growth. You understand that making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process and that you can gain valuable insights and experiences from them. Instead of beating yourself up over mistakes, you reflect on what went wrong and what you can do differently next time. You take ownership of your mistakes and use them as opportunities to learn and grow. You don't let mistakes define you or hold you back, but instead, you use them as stepping stones towards success. You seek out feedback from others and are open to constructive criticism. Your willingness to learn from mistakes and use them as opportunities for growth is a true testament to your mental strength and humility. 8. Ability to maintain healthy boundaries and assert oneself when necessary. You have the ability to maintain healthy boundaries and assert yourself when necessary. You understand that setting boundaries is essential for protecting your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. You are assertive and communicate your boundaries clearly and respectfully, without being aggressive or confrontational. You understand that saying no is sometimes necessary and that it's okay to prioritize your own needs and desires. You are confident in your own worth and value and don't let others take advantage of you. You stand up for yourself and advocate for your rights and interests, even if it means stepping out of your comfort zone. Your ability to maintain healthy boundaries and assert yourself when necessary is a true testament to your mental strength and self-respect. 9. Willingness to take responsibility for one's actions and decisions. You have a strong willingness to take responsibility for your actions and decisions. You understand that your choices and behaviors have consequences, and you are accountable for them. You don't blame others or make excuses for your mistakes, but instead, you take ownership of them and work towards making things right. You understand that taking responsibility is a sign of maturity and integrity, and it's essential for building trust and credibility with others. You learn from your mistakes and take steps to prevent them from happening again in the future. You don't shy away from making tough decisions, and you understand that sometimes you have to make difficult choices that may not be popular. Your willingness to take responsibility for your actions and decisions is a true testament to your mental strength and character. 10. Ability to communicate effectively and assertively. You have the ability to communicate effectively and assertively. You understand that clear and concise communication is essential for building strong relationships and achieving your goals. You are confident in expressing your thoughts and feelings, and you do so in a respectful and assertive manner. You are an active listener and seek to understand others' perspectives before responding. You use language that is direct and unambiguous, and you avoid passive or aggressive communication styles. You are skilled in conflict resolution and are able to navigate difficult conversations with grace and tact. You are able to communicate effectively in both verbal and written forms, and can adapt your communication style to different audiences and situations. Your ability to communicate effectively and assertively is a true testament to your mental strength and interpersonal skills. 11. Willingness to practice self-care and prioritize mental health. You have a strong willingness to practice self-care and prioritize your mental health. You understand that taking care of yourself is essential for maintaining your overall well-being and achieving your goals. You prioritize activities that help you relax and recharge, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. You set aside time for yourself and don't let work or other responsibilities consume all of your time and energy. You recognize the importance of mental health and seek help when needed. You don't let the stigma surrounding mental health prevent you from seeking the care and support you need. You prioritize your mental health and take steps to manage stress, anxiety, or other mental health concerns. Your willingness to practice self-care and prioritize your mental health is a true testament to your mental strength and resilience. 12. Ability to stay calm and composed in stressful situations. You have the ability to stay calm and composed in stressful situations. You understand that stress and pressure are a natural part of life, but you don't let them overwhelm you. You take a step back and assess the situation objectively, without letting your emotions get the best of you. You stay focused on finding a solution and remain calm and composed, even in high-pressure situations. You use deep breathing or other relaxation techniques to manage your stress and anxiety. You understand that staying calm and composed is essential for making sound decisions and taking effective action. You don't let stress or pressure derail you from your goals, but instead, you use them as opportunities to grow and learn. Your ability to stay calm and composed in stressful situations is a true testament to your mental strength and emotional intelligence. 13. Willingness to embrace change and adapt to new situations. You have a strong willingness to embrace change and adapt to new situations. You understand that change is inevitable and that the ability to adapt is essential for personal growth and success. You don't shy away from new challenges or opportunities, but instead, you approach them with an open mind and a willingness to learn. You are flexible and adaptable, and you don't get stuck in old patterns or ways of thinking. You are comfortable with uncertainty and ambiguity and are willing to take calculated risks to achieve your goals. You don't let fear of the unknown hold you back, but instead, you embrace change as a chance to explore new opportunities and grow as a person. Your willingness to embrace change and adapt to new situations is a true testament to your mental strength and agility. 14. Ability to persevere through difficult times. You have the ability to persevere through difficult times. You understand that life is not always easy, and challenges and obstacles are a natural part of the journey. You don't let setbacks or failures discourage you, but instead, you use them as opportunities to learn and grow. You have a strong sense of determination and are willing to put in the hard work and effort needed to achieve your goals. You don't give up easily and are committed to seeing things through to the end. You use a positive mindset and focus on solutions rather than problems, even when faced with adversity. You understand that perseverance is essential for achieving success and reaching your full potential. Your ability to persevere through difficult times is a true testament to your mental strength and resilience. 15. Willingness to take risks and try new things. You have a strong willingness to take risks and try new things. You understand that growth and success often require stepping outside of your comfort zone and taking calculated risks. You don't let fear of failure hold you back, but instead, you approach new challenges with a sense of excitement and adventure. You are willing to try new things and explore different possibilities, even if they are outside of your usual routine. You are open to feedback and willing to learn from your mistakes. You understand that taking risks can be uncomfortable, but you don't let that stop you from pursuing your goals and dreams. You are confident in your abilities and trust that you have what it takes to succeed. Your willingness to take risks and try new things is a true testament to your mental strength and courage. Share your thoughts on this topic. We would love to hear from you in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to like and share this content, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of our latest updates. Thank you for your time.